Mother's Day. What is the next celebration? Ay, Father's Day.
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Is it not June?
June. Yeah, second week of June. Nathan's birthday is like 20 something, Ate Joy.
25.
Of this month.
On the
That's Memorial.
the next their, I don't know, their party
Ngayon ay
probably
hapon na.
Father's Day.
Yeah.
Uwi na
Sa May
kami.
din natin sa magparting nito.
Tapos na ang yung namin. Celebration ngayong araw na ito.
Na itong vlog.
Pauwi na kami mga guys.